talking from industry perspective, it's like suppose your CEO decides that he wants to start another business in like supply chain and he wants to have a product for it. So he would hire a team and then he will hire somebody called the project manager who will find out whether that is possible, what the cost would be, what the timeline would be. And then once the plan is approved, that person would be in charge to like supervise throughout the execution process, and then once it's done he will hand it over to the functional departments. I would have my breakfast. I would then go to library, get my assignments and my student club work done. In the afternoon I will like attend some of the events which are happening around the campus. Then I would sometimes go and sit with my mentors in their office and just have a casual talk. And evenings I have classes, so I would go to class, and most of the times I take my night shifts. So I might have 8 to 12 work as a proctor. So I would then after classes go for work. It ranges from 42 to 48 credits to graduate, out of which like if you ask me, it comes down to about 12 to 13 courses. We have 3 credit courses or 4 credit courses, and there are 7 core courses which we have to take to graduate. You really would want to do your research before choosing a professor. You could do that on Rate My Professor, Google it. You will find a link to that, and I would recommend you all to check the reviews. You could also check with your like your seniors on which professors and which courses to take. There has been a time when I avoided taking a class for 2 semesters because I could not end up with the professor I wanted. So there is an absolute possibility that you might not end up with a class you want if you are not quick enough to make a decision. Until last year, we were not able to do that, but I am told that this year, because we are semester system, we will be able to do that. Absolutely, Northeastern is very flexible with that. You could get an admission in one department and easily bounce off to any other department, or within the same department, you could take different courses. Analytics is one course which is the most popular one. The second most popular is project management. But recently informatics is also getting like good number of people coming in. There are some professors who will like throw you into a group project throughout the semester, and that could be painful, specifically because it's okay with Indians, we can have a communication in English or any other common language, but when you have people from China, Taiwan, Vietnam, either they will be reluctant to talk to you in English, or their English would be a little more difficult to understand because of the accent. So when you end up with group projects, that takes the majority of the time. And I don't think there is any other way but to research your professor well to make sure that you don't end up in that situation. So you want to be very sure about not copying, first thing. And secondly, as far as you meet the deadlines and you have done everything that an assignment requires, it is very easy to get like 3.5. Start understanding the markets you want to be a part of and see how project management plays a role in those markets. Like if you're a finance person and you want to do project management in financial products, I would recommend you to start looking up for what the current market trends is, what are the projects in those domains. So if you have time and if you are a person who is curious, want to do something more, you could start seeing SQL.